Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just really an update video really regarding the Mondeo. As you can see, I've done my first mod. It's a big one for me anyway. Rear wiper on the Mondeo. You can see it's not colour coded. That to me stands out like a sore thumb, but I will get down to changing that to either, you know, painting it or whatever. Getting it matches at least, because if you stand back over here, you can still notice it because obviously you're looking at it, but say if I come over here, it's a lot better, if you get what I mean. It looks a lot better with a back window on mine anyway, to say the least. I decided to sit in the car because I'm using an iPhone 8 and the audio is absolutely horrible. I usually use my GoPro, but you know, I didn't charge it. As I said, this video wasn't planned, it's only a quick update really. I've showed you the rear wiper delete, that's my first mod. I am planning on doing more mods, you know, gradually over time. Whether it's plastic in my wheels, chrome delete is a big one. Tinted windows, I've heard a lot of people want to see. Me, to be fair, as well, because my previous car had them, this hasn't. I like just to get the back and sides. For now, with me having 3 kids, I feel it's a bit more, you know, a bit more privacy, and it brings out the looks of the car a lot more, especially with the rear wiper delete, etc. I'm hoping to get a tuning chip or forscan. I'm not sure which route to go. I've heard forscan, you can obviously mess around, do all sorts of cool things. But I've also heard the tuning chip, you can get a lot more horsepower without breaking anything. Whereas only the forscan, you can only unlock. This is 150 horsepower, you can unlock it to do 184 horsepower. But with a tuning chip, it's 200 horsepower, I believe. And I think 100 Nm is more torque, I believe also. So yeah, I don't know which route to go down with that. For you guys that's got forscan and you've used it on a Mark 5 Mondeo, can you let me know in the comments down below? By the way, side note, excuse the goatee. I did have a full one, but then I thought, no. Got rid of the moustache and I still feel like a clown, so I'm just waiting for that to grow out a little bit more, then to shave it off and grow my hair back out. But anyway, get to the point. Thanks guys for sticking by. Thank you also for checking out my videos on the Mondeo Mark 5/Mark 4 playlist, but now it's Mark 5. On the Facebook group as well, Mondeo Mark 5. Thanks a lot, you guys, for the support. Thank you for the suggestions. You got quite good ones, to be fair. Obviously one at a time, because obviously I've got to fit it in, as well as financial reasons. I've got to, you know, cost of living, come on. I've got to fit it in that way as well, but one at a time. Next, I prefer to get a bit of performance down than what visual mods anyway. So whether it being a tuning chip or a forscan, whichever route I go down, that's what I'll be doing first. Then it'd be appearance wise again. So like I said at the start of the video, chrome delete, tinted windows, plastic wheels, etc, etc. Even a rear spoiler again, that'd be awesome, I think. Bring the car out a little bit more. I had one on my Mark 4, but this one doesn't have it. This is just the normal Mondeo Mark 5 titanium, not titanium X. I think with the X, I think you get the spoiler with the X, I'm not too sure. Or it's the sport line or something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you for sticking by the channel. Thank you for checking out my other content. Be sure to add me on all my socials. They're all on my channel. Add me on Facebook at Daniel Woods. You'll see me on the Mondeo Mark 5 group, so just go on that and type my name in. You'll see my posts anyway. I got a lot of stick for the rear wiper delete as well. Check that out, guys. I can't believe some of the comments on there. Sound like a mum and dad, to be fair, but yeah, it is what it is. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done so far and you'd like to, of course, please subscribe, like this video, and any suggestions, hit me down below. Any advice on the tuning chip or forscan route, let me know down below in the comments. Your honest and humble opinion, I'll really appreciate that. And yeah, watch out guys for the next one. Videos are coming, road trips, vlogs, you name it, I'm back. Thanks for watching, enjoy your weekend, peace.